SMCI stock analysis and SMCI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Supermicrocomputer stock, it's in this 4% correction phase. Definitely looking to take it up. What I'm not going to do is just randomly get involved. I mean, notice how previously here, you know, I got this color and then just pumped up, and then I got like 2 L's on the way up. So 1 W, 2 L's. Honestly, total normal part of the process. L's are going to happen, and where there's like this consecutive. Like I myself have had like 5 L's in a row, but never more than 5. And notice if you just take one trade, that's 5R. You just break even on those, right? That's the game. And the more I've been in the game, the more I've learned that the more I stick to my edge, and like this edge has been refined over 42,000 videos, I know I'm gonna be okay. Because at the end of the day, money's about to be made. Now, it's obviously, this is not me saying this is the best thing ever. Saying just what's worked, and I documented all this on my YouTube channel. And unless there's like this pulling down motion and this confirmation, there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. I mean, very simple. So let me know what is your opinion. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free mouse.